demonstration.
We bought this heater to try out to see if it could heat up an attic space. We didn't expect it to do this. We can run it like half throttle.
Guaranteed to use up your 20-pound tank in 10 minutes.
It's like a jet engine.